Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a free website using Mobirise. All you have to do is go onto mobirise.com, and it is a free website builder software, and whether you're using a Windows device or you're using a MacBook or an Apple device, you'll be able to use this software. All you have to do is tap on download. So for example, I'm using a Windows device, so I'll tap on download for Windows. After you have tapped on download for Windows, you will see the file as you can see right here. And all you have to do is tap on the arrow. Then after you have tapped on the arrow, you will tap on open. Once you have opened it, you will be redirected to this page right here once you have installed it. Then you'll have the option to log in using your Google account, or you can log in using Facebook, or you can simply enter your email address right here. For this example, I'll log in with Google. So I'll tap on login with Google as you can see right here. Then you'll choose the account that you'd like to log in with. Once you're finished, you'll be redirected to this page, and don't worry, you don't have to purchase anything on Mobirise. These are just some of their paid themes. All you have to do is simply close out of this. Once you have closed out of it, you'll be redirected to the app right here, and you're going to tap on OK. After you have tapped on OK, we'll now be able to create our website for completely free. Just give it a few seconds to load up. Once you're finished, you'll automatically be redirected to this page, and this is how your website looks at the moment as you can see right here. And to make any changes, all you'll have to do is go over to the top left hand corner, right where you see the three dashes. Then you're going to tap on My Sites. After you have tapped on My Sites, this is your website at the moment. So all we're going to do, we're going to remove this website as we want to start from scratch. So we're going to tap on the trash can to remove. Then we're going to go back into My Sites. Once in My Sites, you're going to tap on Create New Site. After tapping on Create New Site, you will see numerous page templates that you can choose from. As you can see right here, there are numerous templates that you can choose from. Or if you would like to select a theme, you can select themes right here. Then from here you can see the different themes that you can use. All you have to do is scroll down until you see a theme that you like. So you can scroll down and you have numerous themes that you can use. So I'm going to select one of these page templates. Let's say for example I want to use this one. All I have to do is tap right where you see Mobirise 5. Then you'll see, do you want to use this? And I'll simply tap on OK. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you'll be able to start editing your new website. All you have to do, if you would like to change the picture for example, all you have to do is tap on the picture or the image. After you have tapped on the pic, from here you can upload a picture if you want. So let's say for example I would like to upload a pic. I can do that by simply browsing up. Then I'll tap on Browse Computer, and from there you could tap on Browse Computer and you could choose a pic from your device. Or if I would like to use one of their free online images, I can simply tap on a pic that I would like to use. Once I've found the picture that I like, you can add a link also if you want. And once you're finished, you'll simply tap on the X to close out, and you can see right there. That's it. So let me do that again real quick. All you have to do is tap right there. Then you'll simply choose the image that you want. After you have chosen the image, you're going to tap on OK. And you can also see that otherwise from adding a link, you can also add alt text. So you're going to tap on OK to change the image. And again, you can also change the text. All you have to do is tap on the section that you like to change. So let's say I want to change this right here to simple answers. I can simply highlight it. Then I could type in simple answers. Then you can also change this text section also if you want. So after changing the text, if you would like to change the font size or the style right here, you can. All you have to do is highlight the text box, as you can see right here. So you could make it bold, italic if you want, or if you want to add a link, you can. And also where you see the link box right here, all you have to do if you would like to change the text. So let's say you want to change the text from right here to, let's say, just for example, buy now. You can do that, as you can see right there. Then you'll tap on the link icon to add a link, and you can scroll down and you can make numerous changes. And if you would like to add another page, all you have to do is go over to the top left hand corner. Then right where you see pages, you're going to tap right there. After tapping on create new page, you'll be redirected to this page right here. So you have a few options. You can either choose a next template, or you can tap on add blank page. For this example, I'll add a blank page. After adding the blank, here on the blank page, again you can add the name. So let's say, for example, I want this to be name add. So I'll tap on the sticky right there to say OK. After you have done that, in the bottom right hand corner, you're going to see a plus. All you'll have to do is tap on that. Then you will see the different options you can add. So let's say, for example, you would like to add a header. You can do that. All you have to do is tap on header. Then you'll see the different header styles that you can choose from. So let's say I want to use this header style. All you have to do is tap on it. Then also, if you would like to add an image and video, you could tap on image and video. Then you can see the different image and video styles. So all you have to do is scroll down until you see one of your liking, and I'll simply use this one right here. Then if you would like to add gallery or slider, you can tap on that, and again you'll see the different gallery and slider templates that you can choose from. So all you have to do is scroll down until you see one that you like. And if you would also like to add your social media, you can do that. So you can see the different social media icons that you can tap on. So let's say I want to use this one. I'll simply tap on it. And you can also organize the footer by tapping on the footer section. And you can see the different footer options. And if you would like to add a form, you can tap on form. Let's say you want to add a subscription form or a contact form. You can add it by simply tapping on it right there. And you can also scroll down, and if you would like to add anything else, you can see the different options. And once it is finished, all you'll have to do is tap on X in the bottom right hand corner to close out. And you can see right here the page that we have created. Now you'll be able to do your editing again by simply tapping on any section. So if you would like to change the background image, you can do that as I've shown you earlier. All you have to do once you have tapped on the section, as you can see right here. Once you have done that, you're going to go into right where you see block parameters. And then from here, you can change the background image. You can see the current image right here. If I would like to change it, I can tap on the current image. Then I could use one of the free images, or I could select one from my device. Let's say I want to use this free image. I'll simply tap on it, then tap on OK in the bottom right hand corner, and you can see that the background image has changed. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.